Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
Hello and welcome back to Freedomfully. Today we're diving into a project that blends creativity, mindfulness, and a bit of good old-fashioned kitchen chemistry. We're learning how to make soap completely from scratch. If you've ever wanted a hobby that's equal parts practical, soothing, and deeply satisfying, this is one of the very best places to start. Not only does it fit beautifully into a sustainable retirement lifestyle, but it also gives you a way to create something luxurious and useful with your own hands. Why make your own soap? There are so many reasons people fall in love with soap making. One of the biggest benefits is control. When you make your own bars, you decide exactly what goes into them. You can choose gentle, nourishing oils instead of questionable additives. You can avoid artificial fragrances and dyes. You can tailor each batch to your skin type, your climate, your scent preferences, and your values around natural living. Many commercial soaps are technically detergents rather than true soap. They often contain synthetic cleaning agents that can strip the skin of its natural oils. Homemade cold-processed soap, on the other hand, is rich in glycerin and naturally moisturizing. That's why people who make the switch often notice softer, calmer, healthier skin almost immediately. On top of the skin benefits, this is a hobby that sparks creativity. You can experiment with color, scent, botanicals, textures, swirling techniques, and even the shape and design of your bars. And once you start giving them away as gifts, you'll realize quickly that beautifully made handmade soap is something people treasure. A word on safety. To make traditional cold-processed soap, we use lye, also known as sodium hydroxide. Lye is essential because it's the ingredient that reacts with oils to transform them into real soap. Without lye, saponification cannot happen. Because lye is caustic, it demands respect. Wearing appropriate safety gear and working with care ensures a smooth, safe experience. Many beginners feel nervous about using it, but once you understand the precautions, you'll see that it's very manageable. Experienced soap makers work with lye regularly without issues. Here are the key safety habits to keep in mind. Wear goggles to protect your eyes and gloves to protect your skin. Work somewhere with plenty of fresh air. Add lye to water, never water to lye. Reversing this can create an intense heat reaction. Make sure kids, pets, and anyone easily distracted is nowhere near your workspace. Keep your station organized so you're never scrambling while handling lye. Once you start, you'll notice the process becomes second nature. Our simple, beginner-friendly recipe. Today we're making a gentle, skin-loving bar that works well for all skin types. You'll need 5 ingredients: olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, lye, sodium hydroxide, distilled water. These basic ingredients create a nourishing bar with a creamy, mild lather. Amounts vary depending on your mold size, so you'll want to plug your oils into an online soap calculator. The calculator gives you precise lye and water measurements, so your recipe is safe and balanced. Step 1. Mix the lye water. Carefully measure your distilled water into a heat-safe container. Slowly sprinkle the lye into the water. Stir until it dissolves, then set it aside to cool. It will heat up quickly, which is normal. Step 2. Prepare the oils. Melt the coconut oil and shea butter together. Add the olive oil and stir until everything is fully combined. Allow the oils to cool. You want both the lye water and the oils close to the same temperature. Around 100 degrees is generally ideal. Step 3. Combine and blend. Now comes the transformation. Pour the lye water into the oils. Use an immersion blender in short bursts, alternating with stirring. Within a minute or two, the mixture thickens. This stage is called trace. The texture resembles thin pudding, and this is the sign that the oils and lye have begun the chemical reaction that forms real soap. Step 4. Customize. At trace, you can add extras such as essential oils, clays, powdered herbs, ground oats, or dried botanicals. Keep it simple for your first batch, or let your creative side shine. It's up to you. Step 5. Pour and rest. Pour the mixture into your mold and tap it gently to remove air bubbles. Cover it and insulate it with a towel. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, the soap will firm up enough to remove and cut into bars. Step 6. Cure. Even though the bars look like soap at this point, they need time to become mild and long-lasting. Place the cut bars somewhere cool with good airflow, and let them cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This waiting period gives the bars time to fully finish saponifying and lose excess moisture, resulting in a more durable, gentler product. Soap making is one of those timeless skills that connects us with generations of people who made their household essentials by hand. There's something grounding about taking raw, everyday ingredients, oils, lye, water, and guiding them through a simple transformation that yields something beautiful and useful. Each batch becomes a small ritual, measuring, melting, blending, waiting. And in the end, you're left with bars that carry intention, care, and a little spark of everyday magic. If this is your first time exploring soap making, you're well on your way to mastering a craft that blends creativity with self-sufficiency. It's empowering, calming, and endlessly enjoyable. Let me know if you have questions in the comments below. And if you want more hands-on projects to enrich your slow, sustainable lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to Freedomfully for weekly inspiration. Thanks so much for spending time with us today. I hope this project inspires you to explore new skills, embrace creativity, and enjoy the simple beauty of crafting things with your own hands. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos for more mindful, intentional living. Until next time, continue living with Freedomfully.